Oh, that's embarrassing.
¿Por qué no banditos?
Why don't you tell me?
Well, the info I got said they'd be here tonight.
Bring out your good billy clubs, he says. Tons of bad guys, he says. Druggies day off?
I don't know. Wait, I think I see him up there.
It's just some asshole with a bird.
I think it's a parrot.
It's a parrot?
A parrot.
So you're saying it's drug parrotphernalia?
Thought I was supposed to be the comedic relief.
Fatality.
Oh yeah. I hope you a program with an ass, cause I'm gonna kick it.
Yeah, what he said. With your face. Tall robot, short circuit. Ooh, it tinkles.
You!
It's a cute outfit,
I know, it's funky fresh.
but you need to accessorize.
What? Hey, that kind of matches. Give me that. Swear to God, if there's another robot. Again, really so embarrassing.
You've got nobody in here? Just you.
I was expecting robot bees. Something.
A mine or two.
Anything.
Do you have a gun at least?
Aha! Yes! You, why do you do that? Why do you do that? Do you know how much boxes cost at the FedEx at 50 cents? Why don't you take your knife and put in... you just waltz in here, you superheroes. You make me sick. We finally meet. Yellow tea and baseball boy. Hey, never mind. You have now entered the lair of the Claw. Why are you laughing?
Oh God.
Why are you laughing?
What's your real name?
I'm the claw. Yes, I'm the claw. Seriously, come on, I'm the claw.
It's so subtle, I didn't catch it. I don't even know.
Let's pause this for a second. I got some walnuts in the car.
So funny. What you are steal? Come on, this is serious, serious. I am the claw. I went through serious accident. My arm was lost when it was crushed by one of those claw machines at the Denny's with the stuffed animals. Now I put the stuffed animals with the cocaine to get the children for revenge. And then you're such brute. Brute. You know what? You want it on? You want it on? I kill you now. I kill you, Mr. Kevin. Kevin! Kevin!
Kevin about yay tall.
Yes, that's Kevin. Is
Kevin have a breathing problem?
Oh my goodness. That Kevin down there. You do that?
You did that to
You
him.
did that to him. That's good. You did.
He uses a knife.
That's pretty good.
That knife.
Very good. Well, I kill you with the gun. His gun. I cannot reach.
This gun?
Yes, that gun. Can you push it a little
gun?
closer? Little closer. Just a little closer.
No.
Well, now I kill you with my knife. With the. I can't open. It's aha! It's your knife now. Well, I got to go now.
Yeah, no. How about you waddle your little buns back in the frame?
No.
Me and my partner punch in the face, maybe kill you a little bit. What do you say? Want to switch? I'm right-handed.
You wouldn't hit the guy with magnifying glasses, would you?
1,
2, 3.